Hi, welcome back to Real Talk with Sarasota's luxury waterfront specialist, Roger Pettingill. Hey, Roger.
Mary Kay, we are in not waterfront, but luxury.
Absolutely.
In the Lake Club.
Right.
The best house out here by far.
Unbelievable. You know, if you had to be isolating in place somewhere, this would be the house.
Right, because it's got everything.
Everything.
I mean, it was built by these owners as almost like a mini resort, something
Right.
where their whole family could gather. So we're on the tennis court, we could play some basketball.
Right.
Landscaping is gorgeous. It's got over $1 million worth of landscaping.
Stunning. And adjacent for the golfers.
Right. So you can purchase this house. It has its own 5-hole golf course adjacent to it.
Right.
We've broken that out because some people were more interested in the house and then some people all as one. So
Right.
we've given you that option. But you've got over 9,000 square feet here, 5 bedrooms, this gorgeous chef's kitchen,
Right. Billiards room, 1,000-bottle wine storage,
car museum.
car museum.
You know, so it's really, and a resort style pool also,
Yeah,
don't forget
yeah.
that.
And everything's on one level.
That's very,
Yeah.
you know, that's so nice, not to have elevators, not to have stairways.
Right.
To have it all as one. I totally agree with
And
that.
just a beautiful setting, as you said.
In the Lake Club, so you're right near everything out in the University Park area,
Right.
the UTC Town Center Mall, easy access onto 75.
Right.
Really, this is a property that you should give a look to.
Right, best seen firsthand. We'd love the opportunity to show you. Call us at 941-387-1840
Or a virtual showing.
or virtual showing at 16416 baycrossdrive.com. Thanks so much for joining us on Real Talk.